Hey everyone, my name is Rico and in this video I'm going to show you how you can generate unlimited money with Manus AI. I will build AI SaaS just with Manus AI, so that will give you some insight how to make tons of money with AI. Let's get started. If you want to learn more about AI and start making your first money with AI but don't know where to start, we are here to help you. We have AI business mentorship where we are helping people to make their first 25,000 per month. Don't miss this opportunity and join now. So if you get access to Manus AI, you will get only 3 sessions on the first day and after that only 1 session per day, so be smart. Manus has added some new features too, so if you spend a session you have to wait 24 hours and then you will get another one. So be smart again. So let's get to building. Here's my prompt. Build a fully functional web app that looks like basic user experience of big AI models like ChatGPT, DeepSeek, Grok, using Next.js and Tailwind CSS. Match the visual style and layout as closely as possible, including responsive design. Implement the core front-end features like landing pages, navigation, buttons, so the site is fully navigatable and demonstrates essential interactions. If the AI models relies on any special data or APIs, provide a simple mock data or placeholders to mimic that functionality. So let's see what Manus AI is going to generate us. So with Manus AI you can basically build anything you want, starting from easy AI chatbots to a fully functional SaaS. So I will help you to build fully functional web app that mimics the user experience of major AI models like ChatGPT, DeepSeek, using Next.js and Tailwind CSS. I'll create a responsive design with all core front-end features, including landing page, navigation, and interactive elements. I will also implement mock data to simulate AI interactions. Let me get started on this right away. So as you can see, it started in initializing Next.js project for AI web app. Did some coding here, as you can see, configured Tailwind CSS for styling, created to-do file, as you can see. So as you can see, Manus AI always starts with building to-do list. So as you can see, Manus AI outlined every task what he has to do before achieving the final output. AI chat app development to do. As you can see, setup and configuration, UI components, functionality, testing and deployment. So as you can see, Manus successfully initialized Next.js project for our AI chat application, setting up Tailwind CSS, started building components, executing commands, more coding, editing to file. As you can see, has already done 2 steps, has done some more coding, editing AI chat app. Okay, let's jump to live. As you can see, you can click here to jump to live. What that means you can get live updates basically. As you can see, it's live now. Right now Manus is working on design and implement landing page. As you can see, next step is to develop interactive chat interface. So Manus AI has successfully created a layout component for using AI chat application, including a responsive header with mobile menu, a collapsible sidebar with conversation history, and the comprehensive footer. These components closely mimic the visual style and functionality of major AI models like ChatGPT, DeepSeek, and Grok. Now I'll implement the landing page, which will be the first page users see when they're visiting the application. This will showcase the AI assistant's capabilities and provide entry points to the chat interface. So it's continued with designing and implementing landing page. It's done some coding here. You can see, by the way, if you didn't know, here you can like choose the application to use. What means that, by the way, if you click here, you can choose the application to use via Code or browser. I'm not gonna do anything here right now. By the way, I don't know why, but sometimes it's gonna skip the tasks. I don't know if it can't execute that, or I don't know what's the problem, but yeah, sometimes it's gonna just skip this. By the way, Manus takes like 10 to 20 minutes usually to execute the tasks. For like this long input, I think it's gonna take like 20 minutes at least, but we'll see. Yep. So as you can see, mock AI responses for the chat interface, doing some coding, editing the files. So everybody's asking me what you can actually build with Manus. You can build absolutely anything. You can integrate Stripe and start making money. And I can give you a few examples. You can create online courses and charge people for access. Let's say you put their buy button, and if they click on the buy button, it will navigate them to Stripe and they can actually pay for you for the access. And you can build websites for small businesses and earn from your services. There's actually endless ideas what you can build with Manus AI. It's currently at testing and deployment, test application. Here you can see it's created as the URL, but I can see already it's not publicly accessible. It's the .manus.computer, but let's open this anyways. Okay, as you can see, website is working. This button here, I can already see it's a little bit off, but yeah, I think it's okay. AI assistant, experience the next generation of AI assistants. It looks pretty good, not gonna lie. Profile AI capabilities, some sections here, pricing, get started free, and even footer, that's pretty. And even if terms of service and privacy policy, pretty crazy. Okay, let's go back. Let's see if I can ask something from it. Okay, let's check the header buttons chat. Is this gonna work? Okay, this one is Okay, this one is working, but yeah, the left side is. Okay, the left side, I can see it's not as I wanted, but yeah, it's okay. Create some chats here as well. So as you can see, with this one prompt, I built fully functional website. So as you can see, you can build anything you want with Manus AI, starting from easy functional website like this to fully functional SaaS. And if you want to learn more about AI or want to leverage from it, join our AI business mentorship.